Hello everyone. Today, I want to ask you a simple question. When was the last time you felt truly sharp? Not busy, not distracted, not entertained. Sharp. The kind of sharp where your mind feels clear, your thoughts move fast, and you feel fully alive. Because the truth is, most people are losing that feeling. They wake up tired, they forget simple things, they struggle to focus, they feel mentally exhausted before the day even begins. And the scary part? They think it's normal. It's not. Your brain was designed to learn, adapt, create, and grow. But every day, modern life is pulling it in the opposite direction. Endless scrolling, constant notifications, the same routine, the same thoughts, the same habits, and little by little your mind becomes weaker. Not overnight, slowly, quietly, until one day you realize you're surviving, but you're not truly living. Today, I want to share 8 powerful habits that can help keep your brain young, sharp, and alive. Not complicated tricks, real habits. Let's begin. Habit number 1. Learn something new. Every week, most people stop learning after school. That's when brain aging begins. Your brain loves novelty. It loves challenge. It loves being forced to figure things out. Learn a few words in a new language. Try a new skill. Watch a documentary about something you've never studied before. The goal isn't mastery. The goal is growth. Because every time you learn something new, your brain creates new pathways. And a growing brain is a young brain. Habit number 2. Spend time in silence. Most people are terrified of silence. The moment things become quiet, they grab their phone, music, videos, podcasts, anything to avoid being alone with their thoughts. But silence is where mental recovery happens. Silence allows your brain to slow down, to organize thoughts, to process emotions, to heal. Spend just 10 minutes a day with no distractions, no screen, no noise, just you and your mind. At first, it feels uncomfortable, then it becomes powerful. Habit number 3. Move your body daily. Your brain was never designed to sit all day. Movement increases blood flow. More blood flow means more oxygen. More oxygen means better thinking. You don't need a gym membership. Walk, stretch, dance, ride a bicycle. Do anything that gets your body moving, because when your body becomes stronger, your brain benefits too. A healthy mind needs a moving body. Habit number 4. Stop multitasking. People think multitasking makes them productive. It doesn't. It makes them distracted. Every time you switch between tasks, your brain pays a price. You lose focus. You lose energy. You lose mental clarity. Try doing one thing at a time. One conversation. One task. One goal. Give it your full attention. You'll be surprised how much sharper your mind becomes. Habit number 5. Read more than you scroll. Scrolling gives information. Reading creates understanding. There's a difference. A social media post lasts seconds. A good book can change the way you think for years. Reading strengthens concentration, improves memory, expands imagination, and forces your brain to work. Even 10 pages a day can make a huge difference over time. Feed your brain knowledge, not endless noise. Habit number 6. Protect your sleep. If sleep is broken, everything suffers. Memory suffers. Focus suffers. Mood suffers. Decision-making suffers. Sleep isn't a luxury. It's brain maintenance. Make your room dark. Keep your phone away. Create a regular sleep schedule. Because every night your brain is repairing itself. Don't interrupt the process. Habit number 7. Challenge your comfort zone. Comfort feels good, but growth never happens there. Talk to someone new. Learn a difficult skill. Take on a challenge you've been avoiding. Every time you face discomfort, your brain becomes more adaptable, more resilient, more confident. Comfort keeps you safe. Challenge keeps you alive. Habit number 8. Practice gratitude daily. This may sound simple, but it changes the brain. Most people train their minds to focus on problems. What's wrong? What's missing? What's difficult? Gratitude does the opposite. It trains your brain to notice good things, even small ones. A good meal, a healthy body, a supportive friend, a peaceful morning. When you focus on gratitude, stress decreases, optimism grows, and your brain becomes healthier. Now think about these habits. None of them are complicated. None require expensive tools. But together, they can completely change the way your mind works. The truth is, your brain is either growing or shrinking. There is no middle ground. Every day, your habits are deciding the future of your mind. So make a choice. Keep doing what everyone else is doing. Keep scrolling. Keep distracting yourself. Keep waiting. Or start protecting the most powerful thing you own, your brain. Because money can be lost and earned again. Opportunities come and go. But if you lose your mental sharpness, everything becomes harder. Start today. Choose one habit, just one, and commit to it. Small actions repeated every day create massive changes over time. Your future self will thank you for it. And remember this. A young brain is not about age. It's about how you live. If you enjoyed this video and want more content that helps you think better, grow stronger, and become the best version of yourself, subscribe to the channel. We're not here to waste your time. We're here to help you build a better mind. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.